Yo, what's up everybody? So I'm about to show you a real cool experiment demonstrating the states of matter. You guys probably remember the states of matter lesson that I did? Well, today I'm going to demonstrate the states of matter by turning a solid to a liquid to a gas using ice cubes on the stove in a frying pan. So, let's get started with this experiment. Oh, I got the ice cubes here. Now, let's see what happens if we fry them. You see, guys? They're melting. You have to basically turn it into a liquid. It's not cool. You guys see this? It's now boiling into a gas, so it should evaporate in the air. That's because the molecules are moving faster, and farther apart. So, yeah, you can actually do this at home. Just make sure you have an adult supervision. I'm an adult, so I'm okay with using the stove. But you can see the water is boiling. And it should turn into a gas. So let's wait a few minutes and we'll see what happens. You see, guys, it's still boiling and it should evaporate into a gas. It's not cool. You can see it already evaporated in the center. And it should have completely evaporated any time now. So this demonstrates the states of matter. Man, this is so satisfying to watch. You see what's happening? It's evaporating. And all the water should be gone. Yep, now it's just turned to a gas, so thumbs up for that. Well, I hope you found that experiment pretty satisfying. Yeah, that's exactly the states of matter. Solid, liquid, and gas. Just what we did on the stove, so yeah, it's just a perfect way to demonstrate the states of matter. So we hope you guys enjoyed the experiment. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day, and as always, peace out.